Yeezy, just don't throw a jump, man. Whoa! My fault. What's good, sneaker fam? It's your boy Fabe, back with another one, and today I got a very special one for you guys. Today we're gonna be working on the Nike Air Yeezy 1 Blink. This is the very, very first Yeezy to ever release. Nike and Kanye West, ladies and gentlemen, with the Jordan 3 midsole, just to set it all off. This is what started the Kanye revolution. This is what started the hype train. This happens to be my personal pair. Came out in 2008, 2009-ish, I wanna say. Actually, I destroyed this pair. I've been wearing it all winter. As you can see, there's some salt and stuff on there, but I got the remedy, so I'm gonna bring it all back. Come follow your boy Fabe, and I'm gonna show you the process. And here's everything you're gonna need. Once again, just a paintbrush, some saran wrap, good old bottle of Fabes Sole Sauce to get started. Now, Fabes Sole Sauce comes sealed, comes double sealed. So to unseal it, simply remove the cap, remove this pressure seal, take the blue off of the top, take some scissors, cut off that cap, and you're good to go. Reseal it up. Let's go ahead and get started. You want to take your Fabes Sole Sauce and you want to simply apply it to the affected area. Now in these blinks, it happens to be the entire sole, so we're going ahead and hit that up. All you need is a nice thin coat. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, you don't need to cake this on. This product works great at minimal with a nice thin layer. So go ahead, take your paintbrush, smooth it in, nice thin layer all around. Now you'll also want to do the toe caps as well. Be careful though, be careful with these Yeezy toe caps. Don't go all the way to the top. And you're good to go. Let's go ahead and seal this bad boy up so we can take it outside for the baking process. Take your saran wrap. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, you want to do it in 2 halves. I always take 1 half, do the back half of the shoe, like such. Look at that, perfect. Take another piece, like such, do it the long way, put it over the front half of the shoe. Let it free flow right over. Look at that. Over the toe cap, and now we're ready for the baking process. Let's go ahead and take this outside. After you've covered your soles in saran wrap, you'll simply want to place them under sunlight or UV light if you have one. I do recommend both. Use sunlight during the day and UV lights at night just to keep the process going. And once again, depending on how bad your soles are will determine how many times you have to do this process. For these blinks, it took me just 4 sessions at 24 hours each session. After that, simply remove your saran wrap, wash off the excess sauce. And there you have it, folks. You've just restored your blinks. Talk about blinks here. Blink Yeezy 1s. They went from $800 to about $1,500. All with a little $20 purchase. And some time. If this video helped you out, please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Once again, there's gonna be a lot more videos to come, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully they'll have one ready to go by next week. Product link for Fabes Sole Sauce is in the description below. Please buy your bottle today or store them sold.